Alright friends, let me show you how to make some tasty, authentic, delicious, amazing refried beans. Let's start off with a pan. Doesn't have to be cast iron, it's just the one I'm using. We're going to be putting a little bit of oil just to coat the bottom of the pan. I prefer using avocado oil, and we're going to take a chile. You can take a serrano or a jalapeno. I just happen to have a jalapeno on hand. What we're going to do is we are going to char it in the oil. We're gonna let it get nice and toasty. It's almost gonna look burned. We're gonna wait until it blackens. No, it's not gonna add a level of spice or heat. It's just gonna add this really delicious, unique flavor that you can't get with anything else. So that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna mix it with lots of love, kind of wait till all sides brown, then be adding our beans. Now these beans right here, if you guys haven't watched my video, go check it out. I already have them jarred, they're good to go, and I'm just gonna add it to the hot pan. See how the pepper is looking nice and charred? Everything goes in there with the liquid. Having the liquid in the pan along with the beans is really important because it helps soften them. And if you prefer your beans mashed, it'll help with the mashing process. And if you prefer to eat them whole, it's gonna just help have them contain their shape and have beautiful flavor all over, because what this is doing is it's soaking up all of the oil that the jalapeno or your chile flavored. So it's gonna just be delicious. The liquid starts to boil, it means that it's ready to go. You can mash them if that's how you want to serve them, or you can just serve them whole if that's what you want to eat that day. It's really up to you, but this is pretty much the preparation and how I flavor refried beans. Not only are they an amazing but crucial side in Mexican cuisine, I highly recommend this recipe. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and we'll see you guys in the next video.